Today we'll be looking at XMind tutorial for beginners, Guide to Mind and Brainstorming 2025. In a world where information overload is real and staying organized is more important than ever, mind mapping has become a powerful way to bring structure to your thoughts and turn big ideas into clear, actionable plans. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, project manager, or just someone trying to organize your thoughts better, simply one who loves to think visually, this guide is designed to help you get started with XMind from scratch. We will walk you through everything from installing the app and navigating the interface to building your very first map and unlocking advanced features. By the tutorial, you will not only understand how XMind works, you'll be confident using it to boost your creativity, productivity, and focus. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of mind mapping with XMind. XMind. XMind is one of the most popular mind mapping tools available. It helps you visually organize information, brainstorm ideas, plan projects, study effectively, and much more. Think of it like a digital whiteboard that lets your ideas branch out and connect, just like your brain naturally works. XMind is available across platforms including Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, Android, and the web, allowing you to mind map anytime, anywhere. Why mind mapping is such a powerful tool? It mimics the way your brain processes information, visually and associatively. It breaks down complex ideas into manageable chunks, enhances creativity, boosts memory, and increases productivity. Whether you are brainstorming, problem solving, or just organizing your thoughts, mind mapping helps you see the big picture while managing the finer details. To begin, head over to xmind.net and download the latest version for your operating system. There's a free version and a pro version available, but the free version has more than enough features for beginners. Once installed and launched, you'll be greeted by a clean, modern, and distraction-free interface. Interface Tour. In the center of the screen is the canvas, where your mind maps come to life. At the top is the toolbar, which includes tools for adding topics, formatting text, inserting images, and more. On the right-hand side, the Properties panel lets you customize fonts, colors, layouts, and styles. On the left, the Map Structure view displays your mind map in an outline format. The entire interface is user-friendly, drag-and-drop enabled, and easy to navigate. In your first mind map. To create your first mind map, click New and choose a template or start with a blank canvas. A central topic will appear. This represents your main idea. Click on it to rename it. For example, Marketing Strategy. Press Tab to add subtopics such as social media, email campaigns, or SEO. Press Enter to add sibling topics at the same level. You can continue building deeper branches by adding more subtopics. It is fast, intuitive, and even fun. Customizing your map. To make your map visually appealing and easier to understand, XMind allows you to switch between different layout styles like radial maps, tree charts, fishbone diagrams, and organizational charts. You can also change color themes, fonts, and shapes, or add icons for clarity. Notes, hyperlinks, attachments, and images can be inserted in any topic. For visual thinkers, XMind offers stickers, markers, and even a Zen mode that supports hand-drawn illustrations. The brainstorming mode is where creativity really flows. Activate it by clicking the light bulb icon or selecting it from the view menu. Set the timer and start typing out ideas rapidly. Each one becomes a new bubble. After the timer ends, you can organize these ideas into a structured mind map. This feature is perfect for teams, writers, and creatives looking to capture a quick burst of inspiration. Templates for quick starts. If you're unsure where to begin, XMind offers a range of pre-made templates like SWOT analysis, business plans, project roadmaps, and study guides. These templates save valuable time, especially helpful when you are working under a tight deadline. In your map. Need to present your map? XMind has a built-in presentation mode that transforms your mind map into a dynamic, animated slideshow. You can zoom into branches and walk your audience through your ideas step by step. No need for PowerPoint. Simply click Presentation from the top menu to get started. Sharing and exporting. Once your mind map is complete, you can export it in various formats including PDF, PNG, SVG, Word, Excel, Markdown, and even OPML for use in other mind mapping tools. If you are using XMind Cloud, Your maps can sync across devices, and you can collaborate with others in real time. Sharing ideas has never been easier. Pro tips for power users. To level up your XMind workflow, use keyboard shortcuts like Tab for subtopics and Enter for siblings to move quickly. Switch to focus mode to zoom in on specific branches. If managing a project, try the Gantt chart view to see tasks in a timeline format. Use labels and priorities to track tasks and deadlines. What is new in XMind 2025? XMind 2025 introduces several exciting features. AI-based topic suggestions to boost your brainstorming. Voice note integration for recording thoughts directly into your map. Enhanced visual with AI-generated icons and backgrounds. A smart sort tool that automatically organizes messy branches into a clean layout. And there you have it, your complete beginner's guide to XMind in 2025. Whether you are planning a project, writing a novel, preparing for exams, or just organizing your thoughts, XMind is a game changer. It is not just a tool, it is a mindset that fosters clarity, focus, and creativity. With XMind, you can transform scattered thoughts into structured action and visualize, connect, and communicate ideas with ease. Whether you are managing complex projects, studying for exams, brainstorming creative concepts, or simply organizing your day-to-day life, XMind helps you visualize your thinking process in a way that is intuitive, flexible, and deeply effective. With its user-friendly features, cross-platform accessibility, and innovative updates in 2025, it truly makes planning smarter and thinking clearer easier than ever. So the next time you feel overwhelmed by ideas or unsure where to begin, open XMind. Start with one central thought and let your creativity flow from there, one branch at a time. Its powerful features, like customizable layouts, brainstorming modes, and AI-driven suggestions, make it easy to adapt the tool to fit any need. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, start with a single idea, map it out, and watch the rest unfold naturally. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Here's to thinking smarter, planning better, and mapping your way to success. Now go ahead, open up a new map, and start building something amazing, one branch at a time. And that is all there is on XMind Tutorial for Beginners, Guide to Mind and Brainstorming 2025.